Hey everyone, and welcome back to Butchie Boom. So glad that you're here with us. We got an action-packed video. Today we're going to be talking about the Uber Plus card. If you haven't heard about it, the Uber Plus card is a little credit card type thing that they send you out. Right now, currently it's by invite. Between 750 to 1,000 rides. If you're a driver, they'll give you the invitation. I sat on mine for a long time before I finally accepted it, and a few months ago I accepted it, and about a month ago I did my first ride with it, and that's the video that we're going to be seeing later on in this video here. But pretty much what it is that somebody can, for instance, say go to CVS and they need some laundry soap, a box of X-Lax, and a can of milk. I don't know, Similac or something. Whatever is offered in the store. The CVS, Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Five Below, Bed Bath & Beyond. So far, I've done them all. So far, okay. So you go in, they give you a shopping list. You go find the items, put them in your cart, go to the cash register, and you pay with the Uber card. It looks just like a regular credit card. Uber pre-authorizes it for just about the amount, I guess, that they're expecting you to spend, maybe a little bit more, I don't know. After you do your shopping, you acknowledge what items you have found and what items you haven't found, and then you go through and tell them how you paid. So where you can use your own credit card or your own cash. I would never ever advise doing that with Uber, because it's going to take 7 to 10 days, my understanding, to get that money back, and then you have to put a claim in for it through the app. It's a bunch of baloney. Don't even bother with it. If their card doesn't work, then I would just cancel the order and say, oh, the card didn't work. What are you supposed to do? But under no circumstances would I pay for it, ever, with my own funds. Although they do give you that option. Now, as you're going to see in the next video, that I had to do a little bit of scrambling and running around it. I'm going to show you how much I made from it. Is it worth doing the Uber Plus card? Well, for me, I think it is. I don't mind, walking around doing the extra little bit of shopping. It gives me some exercise, gets me out of the car. And it's just one more means of being able to make some money. Now, where do you find the invitation? If you have the invitation and it's available, you're going to go, you click on your Uber driver app, you'll click on account, and then it'll bring you to the work hub. You click on the work hub, and in there will give you the whole list of all the options that are available to you. Some is alcohol delivery, some is doing Uber Connect. I don't know what other services are out there that Uber is linking up with, but they are linking up more and more, and I think that Plus card is key. I would highly recommend that if you get the card, if you're invited to do it, to get the card. Only activate the card if you're really serious that you want to do it. You don't have to activate it, and they'll just keep sending you reminders ad nauseum to activate your card. And once you do activate the card, when you go on, when you activate the app for the first time, they remind you ad nauseum once again, don't forget to bring your card. So I would encourage you to do it. Let me know what your experience is like with it. I'm going to let you go so that you can watch the next part of the video. And I know that it seems a little bit choppy, but that's okay. You're getting some good information here. I really hope you'll leave me some feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. By the way, thank you to everybody who's been subscribing. Our subscriber base has been going off the charts, and I'm so grateful. We are grateful here at Butchie Boom. It's more than just me. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes that I can't even begin to tell you about, and I don't want to bore you with the sausage making. But thanks again. I've got a whole bunch of other videos that I'm in the process of trying to do. Time is not my own lately, but I promise you I'm going to be putting more of these videos out. I have a whole bunch more stuff I want to give for new drivers, and experienced ones too. Thanks again, and now stick around. Let's continue with this other video. Hey everyone, and welcome to Butchie Boom. Today we're doing another Uber Eats sort of kind of video. We're actually going using the Uber Plus card. That's the new Visa card that they're sending out to folks now. It's sort of like Uber's version of a shopping service. Right now, I'm going to Bed Bath & Beyond, if you can stand it. I've never shopped there a day in my life. This should be interesting. Looks like several items on the list. You can see it scrolling off to the right over there, what the order looks like and what my instructions are. You're going to hear the Uber app here in the background probably telling me to make a turn somewhere, but I don't know what it's going to do. I know where I'm going. So here's the thing. I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the shopping. I can't do the video and the shopping at the same time. It's just too complicated. Right now I'm about 15 minutes from Bed Bath & Beyond. By the way, it's a $25, I guess including tip, shopping trip for me. So I'm willing to do it for 25 bucks. Let's see what we got. I'm going to pause right here because you know what we're doing. I'm going to Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm picking up the stuff for this customer. It's $25 and change. I think they said 40 minutes was the estimated time on the thing that flashed across before I accepted it. So we'll see. For you, it'll be a blink of an eye, but I'll be back as soon as I get done doing the shopping. All right, bye. Okay, so, well, I did that fiasco of a shopping. I don't know, I may turn down Bed Bath & Beyond from here on out. The employees were helpful, but you could tell they didn't want to be, which is a little disconcerting, but be that as it may. 2 items I couldn't find. Of course, there's no training on what we're supposed to do. It appeared as though they wanted me to hang around for substitutions or something along them lines. I just kept clicking through. I acknowledged what items I found. I took pictures of the shelves where things were supposed to be because that's what the app told me to do. And I checked out using the card. I snapped a photo of the receipt, and now I'm off to deliver it to one of the college students over at Skidmore College, which is local here in Saratoga. I don't know if I'm impressed or not, folks. Let's see how this all works out and what kind of rating I get afterwards, and then I'll report back. But as of right now, shopping's done. My bag. Off for delivery I go. So, and the other thing is, too, is they give a receipt. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with that receipt. So I have not been giving them. What are you supposed to do, right? They don't tell you. So far, there's been no problem with my pay, so we'll see what happens. I'll report back after this is all done and let you know how everything went. All right. Okay, so I finished that trip, and I just want to do a quick update. As you can see, despite me not being able to find 2 items, I still got an extra large tip. They paid a little less than $5 extra. I said thank you for the tip, and well, that was my experience at Bed Bath & Beyond. If you get a chance, just get that Uber Plus card, and it'll hit you with pickups when you put it on for deliveries. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. We have a whole bunch more videos coming down the pike. We're going to do a little bit more on this ubereats and the Uber Pro card that they send us to go shopping. We'll see what that's like, especially for somebody like me. If I can do it, you can do it. Take care. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching.